Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you that I got my SpongeBob SquarePants Wet n Wild collection. You've got the 3 sponges right here, the sponge cleaner. One of these is a primer and the other one is a facial mist. You've got your palette, your highlighter, which is amazing looking from here. You're gonna shine all the way to outer space. And you've got the Pineapple House, which I don't think Wet n Wild has gotten in yet. And you've got the 2 brushes, the flat kabuki and the round kabuki, and then the cleaner. You open this up and you brush your sponge in it, and I guess you use that there you go, that hamburger thingy to clean it. But yeah, and also wanted to show you, look at this. That is so cute. This is why I like collecting the boxes. Look at that. So yeah, I thought I was recording me opening up the box, but I didn't. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.